Welcome to the next part of the Bohemian Rhapsody tutorial and the second part of the solo, the guitar solo, and it's getting easier than the last time. So probably it was the hardest time of the whole tutorial in the last video. So congratulations. But let's go on. At the end of the last part is this one with a thrill. So we ended with this note, and we go on with this. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and this is the next part, and from here, we start in the next video. Okay. But first, this video, the second half of the solo, the guitar solo. And by the way, I love to play it also one octave lower. At least today's part. So when we come from this here, then we again have the same chords. Boom, 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 boom. Here again F minor, and here again in the left hand this run, but at the very end we have D flat major as a chord, and then A major. Yeah, that's the only difference. But these are also the mama chords. Okay, so first practice part. Boom, 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 boom. So this is there's a funny thing, because it's nearly a scale, a major scale. So and it is a major scale. It's the E flat major scale, but we've played from B flat till B flat. Yeah, so it's definitely a scale. So B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, and B flat. Yeah, remember the scale because we need this later again. And the rhythm is a bit different. It's not super straight. Boom, 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 boom. So first slow, and then we have this fast run here. The rest notes of the scale. Yeah, and it's really that fast. And here also, first of all, you use your elbow for your help, and think that the goal is the B flat, and all the other notes are just preparing the B flat. Boom, 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 boom. So that's the first practice part for the right hand. The left hand plays first the E flat. Very end, when the right hand plays the B flat, the left hand plays the D. Boom, 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 boom. So pass auf, das hier, boom, 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 these are triplets. So that means that we don't play it super straight like this. This would be just regular, bum, 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 bum. But it's like bum, 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 bum. So it's a bit offset. So the thing with triplets, I have different videos for these triplets, and I recommend that you have a look at these videos on my channel if you are not familiar with triplets, okay? Because it can be a complicated topic. Okay, so but of course you can just play it with me together here. Yeah, of course, that way you will also master here this practice part. Yeah, but only these 4 notes are triplets. And then we have this fast run with the last 4 notes. Yeah, so that's the first practice parts with both hands together. Okay, if you made this, you nearly can play the next practice part because this is the same, but only to the C. Yeah, this time to the C. So there we have 2 options. You can play the 4 notes and add the C. So this time the C is the goal, not the B flat. So that's the option I recommend. That's option number 1. But you can also just simply skip the B flat. Then we also only have these 4 notes. 5 notes, 4 notes, 5 notes, 4 notes, 5 notes. Yeah, well, it's nearly impossible to hear the difference. So it's up to you. Yeah, well, I play it both times and you can listen to it if you hear it or not. 4, 5. 5, 4, yeah. 4, 5. 5, 4. 5, 4. 5, 4. Yeah. And before, yeah, we have also the triplets here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And we had the D in the left hand before. These are the notes the right hand plays alone. And when we go up now, with this C, the left hand also plays the C. Yeah, let's bring both practice parts together. Sorry. Oh no. Yeah, so these are the first both practice parts. Now let's go on to the third. We already had this one in another video before. D, E flat, C, D, E flat, C. So the C minor chord, we had this in the last video. Yeah, very easy, right? D, E flat, C, D, E flat, C. We already had this, also this. So, and now this is the fifth practice part here. Because we go up to the E flat. D, E flat, F. So we had D, F flat, C, D, E flat, C. Now D, E flat, F. Exactly like in the last part of the solo. And now also, as in the last video, G and E, A flat and E. Also, we are getting louder. It's dramatic. And then we play the E flat with the pinky. And then we play the E flat here on the top alone, only to this point. So D, E flat, F, G, A flat, E flat, only to this point. Okay? And then we do have a D flat chord, D flat, F and A flat, or also, you can also say it's a C sharp chord. It's really hard to define it at this part, but it's really not that important for now. Yeah, these are the same notes at this point. Okay, because we have so many changes for the keys on this part, yeah, Queen is changing so many, has so many crazy modulations and so on. Because now we go into the new keys, A major, the new key of the song. Okay, so let's say it's D flat major, D flat F, A flat again, and now the left hand goes to the C, the right hand plays the same chord, then the left hand goes to the B, right hand plays the same chord. It's twice as long. And then the left hand goes to the B, but very short, B flat. And then A major chord. And this is A, C sharp, E. Yeah, and the A, the first, I had also the A on top, and then only 3 notes. Yeah, this is the next part. And there's, yeah, it's getting more crazy. Okay, let me show you from the practice part before. In the left hand, it's D flat, C, B flat, B flat, and A. So, and the B is twice as long as the other notes. So, and with the chord, D flat major in the right hand. Only here the A major chord in the right hand. Okay, and with the next part, well, we go on in the next video. But let me play the whole solo now all together. Well, I'm surprised how it works now. I have to think about it. Very short, very quick. And now we start here. And now I played the second part of the solo 1 octave higher. Yeah, it depends. You can go 1 octave lower. So I love to go down. Okay, so, well, I really hope you have fun here with this guitar solo. Enjoy this part. In the next video, we go on with the Scaramouche part. I'm looking forward to see you there again. And in the meantime, have a look at the links in my description box, werdemusiker.de. Thank you so much and see you soon.